Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question based on the concept of maxima minima. Here comes the question. Can you please pause the video, make an attempt and then continue watching this? Right. Among 100 students, X1 have birthdays in January, X2 have birthdays in February and so on. If X0 is the maximum value of X1, X2, X3 up to X12, in other words, it is the maximum of the 12 months. Then the minimum value of X0 is, see, X0 is the maximum of the 12 months, the highest of the 12 months. That highest value can be minimum how much? Interesting question. Let me explain this with an example. Suppose if I have 10 pens, if I am distributing to say A, B and C, what is the maximum anyone can receive if I ask you? Then you may say probably I'll give all 10 pens to one person, no pens to the other people. You may say maximum is 10, but no, if you say no, at least everyone should be given one pen, at least one pen everyone should be given means then I'll give one to A and B, I'll give C 8, so the maximum is 8. So then suppose if I give A1 and B2 3, then maximum is 7, still C is at its maximum and the maximum number is 7. Suppose instead of 1, 2, if you give 2 to 4, then maximum value is 6. So, if you observe, the maximum value is coming down when you are increasing, when you are giving more to other people, right? So, when the maximum value will be minimum? Let us see, if instead of 2, 2, if I give 3, 3, 6, then I can give only 4. So, the maximum is 4. Can you reduce further? No, because when two numbers are 3, 3, a number that is greater than that should be at least 4, right? So it can't be less than 4. So the maximum is 4. So the maximum value is at its least. See, all these are maximum values only among the groups, but the maximum value is at its minimum when the other people are given as many as possible. In other words, if possible, equally. Now I have 10 pens. That's why I got 3, 3, 4. Suppose if I had 9 pens, what I could have done? I would have given A, B, C, each one 3, 3, 3 pens. So what is the maximum? As I said, I will give close means I will give equal. So all three are getting 3, 3 pens means what is the maximum means? Maximum value is 3 here. So the maximum value can be minimum if you are all three are getting equal there. But now that I have 10 pens, 1 pen extra here, so that one I am giving to one person. So that's why I have 3, 3, 4. So you can, the maximum value can be at its lowest if you distribute equally. If not, at least, if you can't distribute like this equally, at least as close as possible. Now, if I distribute these 100 students among the 12 months equally possible, if not at least as close as possible, then I'll get the highest value that I get will be at a minimum like this case. Now I have 12 months and I have, let's say they are X1, X2, X3 and so on till X12. Now if I have to distribute these 100 students among 12 months, 12 goes how many times in 100? I want to distribute equally. Is it possible? Is 100 exactly divisible by 12? No. 12 8s are 96. So I can give 8, 8, 8 every month. Like this for 12 months, I can give every month 8, 8 like this. So 12 8s are 96 students. Still I have 4 students. These 4 students, if I can give to 1 month, the maximum will be 12. But I want to keep that maximum minimum means why we give only all 4 to 1 month. Again we will distribute these 4 equally. If I distribute these 4 equally to 4 months, so each month you will have 9, 9, 9. 4 months will have 9 each. The remaining 8 months of the year will have 8 each. 5, 6, 7, 8 months. These 8 months will have 8 8s are 64, 9 4s are 36, 100. So what is the maximum values? Lowest maximum in this example is how much now? 9. So this maximum is 9 is at its lowest because you distributed as close as possible. Hence this X0 is the maximum value. X0 is 9, which is the lowest possible value when you have distributed equally, or as I said, if not equally, close to each other. Hence x0 can be minimum. This 9 is the minimum possible value of the highest number. Hence my answer is choice D. Right? So like this, the maximum minima questions will always come with some interesting logic. Right? Thank you.